morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning. It's the last Monday in 2024. And for most of you, it's probably a brief week. I know Robin has 1 or 2 days off this week. So last night I had breakfast for dinner, which included pancakes and bacon. I got to prepare the bacon to my liking. Robin likes her bacon extra crispy. Bacon bits, basically. But hey, marriage is compromise. It was fun. The pancakes, I looked at because as you know, it's just me. So I looked at the box and went, oh, Bisquick. I love Bisquick. I looked at the box and went, I can't eat that many pancakes. So I halved the recipe, and it was perfect. It was a lot of fun. I'm still finding syrup. I get it. All right, so in this house, in the Casual Chef's Kitchen, we always have tortillas. So I decided, when I was doing my menu, that I'm going to do quesadillas. And I looked at several quesadilla ideas and recipes, and even pushed out some to you folks, to look at and help me with the menu. So I decided to do something on my own. Come on. I'm a culinarian. So I'm doing Delicioso Quesadillas. Let's get to it. Got the hardware, a saute pan and a fry pan. One's for the meat, and one's for the actual cooking of the quesadillas. Like I said, we always have tortillas in the house. So I got some flour tortillas, some garlic. I'm using my taco seasoning, which I knew I need to make some. Local spicery smoked paprika. They're located in Marysville, and they also have another store in the Bay Area. Some ground cumin from Mexico. Ground elk, that's about 8 ounces. And some butter to cook actually in the pan with the quesadillas. And basically the toppings and fillings is some diced pickled jalapenos, some sour cream. We always have sour cream in the house. Robin is a major fan. Pico de gallo, some paste picante. I actually really like paste picante, and I like the picante, not the chunky. And some good old Tillamook triple cheddar blend. Gotta have cheese with quesadilla. We all, as kids and even as adults, all had just cheese quesadillas because it was something we could do ourselves in our kitchens that we grew up in. It's always fun. I remember putting extra butter in them so that the butter would drip down your arm. Yeah, nothing better. I've been playing, yesterday I played quite a bit of time on a new app that's on my phone. It's called Recipe Keeper. I'm super impressed. Because I don't know if you know this, but most of my, if not all, of my recipes are actually composed in a note-taking app. And I've just adapted it for what I do. So this is very impressive. You can use it on your phone, your tablet, and your computers. Yeah, I'm impressed. Very impressed. There's several ways to import recipes, and you can export them. You can share them. I shared a recipe yesterday in the group via Recipe Keeper. It's shopping list, meal planner, yada, yada, yada. It's really cool. I will get you more information on Recipe Keeper. One of the things that I'm extremely impressed about is I was able to, I tried it 2 ways. To take a photo, because you take photos of your recipes and what they call OCR them. And the software is so good that it gets rid of the junk. And it only concentrates on the name of the recipe, the ingredients, and the method or the instructions. You can take a photo of your computer screen, whether it's a white background with black text or a black background with white text. It will read it. Impressive. Extremely impressive. I will get you more information on Recipe Keeper. Unfortunately, it is not a free, I'm going to tell you right now, it's not a free app. There's just a one-time cost. And it's very reasonable. If you go through it, you do as much recipes as I do, it's worth it. It's an investment. And I've already had to contact the customer support once or twice, just some questions because I'm a computer guy. So, but they were right on it. So, on this Monday, the last Monday in 2024, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.